Hi students, John here. Chapter 1 Application of Matrices and Determinants. Exercise 1.1 question number 13. So given matrix A is equal to 1 minus 1 2 0, B matrix is equal to 3 minus 2 1 1 and C matrix is equal to 1 1 2 2. Then find the matrix of X such that the given condition AXB is equal to C. First I am going to write given matrix A matrix, B matrix, C matrix. Then I'm going to take the condition AXB is equal to C. Then I'm going to write the condition AXB is equal to C. So here pre-multiple and post-multiple by A inverse and B inverse. So A inverse multiplied by pre-multiplication. So A inverse A X pre-multiple means B inverse into B, which is equal to pre-multiple by A inverse. So A inverse முன்னாடி கொடுத்தறணும் into C post multiple after C. So I'm going to write B inverse. So here which is equal to, already we know that A inverse A, B inverse B becomes identity matrix from the property. So I'm going to write identity matrix with X. Here also identity matrix which is equal to A inverse C B inverse. So then identity matrix oda X matrix multiply பண்ணும்போது we get the original matrix X which is equal to A inverse C into B inverse. Here I'm going to write the condition. So X is equal to, so A right side move A inverse C, B goes to post multiple அப்படின்றதுனால B inverse. So first I'm going to find A inverse, then I'm going to find B inverse. So first I'm going to choose A matrix which is equal to 1 minus 1 2 0. So here I'm going to find determinant and then adjoint of A matrix. So determinant of A matrix which is equal to, so determinant of 1 minus 1 2 0 which is equal to first diagonal minus second diagonal. So 0 then minus 2 into minus 1 becomes minus 2. So which is equal to 0 minus into minus becomes plus 2 which is equal to 2. 2 is the determinant of A matrix. Then I'm going to find adjoint matrix. So adjoint of A matrix which is equal to first diagonal entries interchange பண்ணிக்கணும். So interchange the principal diagonal entries. So 0 here 1, then secondary diagonal signs மட்டும் interchange பண்ணிக்குவோம். So minus 1 becomes plus 1, then plus 2 becomes minus 2. So that is the adjoint of A matrix. Then I'm going to apply the inverse formula. So A inverse which is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, adjoint of A which is equal to 1 by determinant of A becomes 2. So 2, then adjoint of A matrix becomes 0 1 minus 2 1 is the A inverse matrix. So similarly I'm going to find B inverse. So we know the B matrix 3 minus 2 1 1 is the B matrix. So now I'm going to find determinant of B. So here determinant of 3 minus 2 1 1 which is equal to principal diagonal minus secondary diagonal. So 1 into 3 becomes 3 minus 1 to 2. So minus 2 here which is equal to 3 minus into minus becomes plus 2. Here 5 is the determinant of B value. So now I'm going to find adjoint of B matrix which is equal to, so first diagonal entries interchange பண்ணிக்குவோம். So 1 here 3, then secondary diagonal signs interchange பண்ணிக்குவோம். So minus 2 becomes plus 2. Here my plus 1 becomes minus 1 is the adjoint of A matrix. Next I'm going to find B inverse matrix. B inverse matrix which is equal to 1 by determinant of B into adjoint of B matrix. So now I'm going to apply that one. So which is equal to 1 by determinant of B becomes 5. So I'm going to apply 5. Then adjoint of B matrix is equal to 1 2 minus 1 3. So this is a B inverse matrix. Next, I am going to write the condition. So X matrix which is equal to A inverse C matrix into B inverse matrix. So which is equal to, so X matrix which is equal to 1 by 2 of 0 1 minus 2 1. Then C matrix is equal to 1 1 2 2 is the C matrix. Then B inverse matrix is 1 by 5 of 1 2 minus 1 3 is a B inverse matrix. So constants value first multiply பண்ணிரும். 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 becomes, which is equal to 1 by 2 5s are 10. Then remaining matrix 0 1 minus 2 1, then 1 1 2 2, then another matrix 1 2 minus 1 3. So first two matrix எடுத்து நம்ம multiply பண்ணிக்குவோம், which is equal to 1 by 10 of first row multiplied by rows எடுத்துக்கணும், then second row we take column. So first row multiplied by first column, so we get 0 into 1 becomes 0, 1 into 2 becomes 2. Then first row multiplied by second column, 0 into 1 becomes 0, then 1 into 2 becomes 2. Then second row multiplied by first column, so minus 2 into 2 becomes minus 2, so 1 into 2 becomes plus 2. Then second row multiplied by second column, minus 2 into 1 becomes minus 2, then 1 into 2 becomes plus 2. So remaining 1 2 minus 1 3. So which is equal to 1 by 10 of, so 0 plus 2, here 2, here also 2, here 0, plus 2 minus 2 becomes again 0. So here remaining 1 2 minus 1 3. So now I'm going to multiply these two matrix, which is equal to 1 by 10 of, so for row we take column. So first matrix, first I'm going to choose first row multiplied by first column, 2 into 1 becomes 2, so 2 into minus 1 becomes minus 2. Then first row multiplied by second column, so 2 2s are 4, then 2 3s are 6. Then second row multiplied by first column, 0 into 1 becomes 0, then 0 into becomes 0, then 0 into 2 becomes here also 0, 0 into 3 becomes 0, which is equal to 1 by 10 of, here 2 minus 2 becomes 0, 4 plus 6 becomes 10, here 0, here also 0, which is equal to, here the matrix the common multiple becomes 10. So I'm going to take 10 outside from the matrix. So take outside, so remaining 0 1 0 1. So then 10 10 will be cancelled. So remaining matrix 0 1, sorry, here 0 0 0 is the X matrix.